am beyond excited to share with all of you one of my favorite loves, fabric weaving. I got started in fabric weaving about the same time that I started quilting, and I was just trying to explore all of these various mediums. But fabric weaving specifically was just very tactile. I could grab fabric, sit down with the fabric, cut it into strips, weave it, and I would literally be watching magic happen with these two hands before these two eyes. The main workshop is making this raw edge linen and yarn dyed fabric pillow. This entire thing was made by hand. You don't need a sewing machine. I will teach you all of the techniques to tear this fabric to create this amazing raw edge treatment, how to weave them all. I love this craft, and I love teaching this craft, and I love sharing this craft. And that's why it's really truly an honor to partner with the Crafter's Box. So if you're ready to learn how to make this pillow, then stick with me and I will show you all of the steps. And until next time, everyone, keep it positive. Mr. Domestic out.